to you all. Yes, good morning, everybody of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, all. Dear students and
Good
fellow teachers.
Sir,
Welcome back to our English class.
Yes, sir.
It might take some 1-2 minutes till all the participants come into the platform.
Sure,
to
sir.
answer. Also, Khadri sir, from where you are?
I'm from Bardia, sir.
Oh, that's nice. So far. So, best wishes to you.
Yes, sir.
I'm wishing you all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You too.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Subhadri sir. From where you are, sir, Subhadri sir?
I am from Gorkha, sir.
Oh, nice. Yes. We are wishing each other. That's good.
Yeah.
That's a good culture. Wishing each other. Though we are the competitors, we are the rivals, but we are trying our best, and we never mind our friends coming up.
Yes, sir.
It depends on our level. It depends on our luck as well. A lot of things go together.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Not partially functions, but the hard work labor functions well.
Yes, I am trying to.
Yeah, obviously. Okay,
Yeah.
without delay, I would like to share my screen and make you first familiar with the content that I have been dealing these days since last 2 days. What topic I'm dealing with, or from which unit from the secondary curriculum of TS examinations. So let me share the screen and make you be familiar with that. Yes. Yes, dear fellow teachers and students who are preparing for secondary level TSC examinations. So look at, we have two sections, you know very well, section A and section 2, section B. And this section A is methodology oriented, because it deals with the question of how, yes, what methodology do we apply and which methodology becomes so effective in teaching the particular item. And second, and so far the secondary that section B is concerned, it is a cognitive level. Means you will have the knowledge of your subjective items. How much knowledge do you possess? This thing is assessed. So good balance of the curriculum. We are from methodology related, and unit 2 teaching and testing written English is there according to the curriculum I have seen. And 2.1 teaching reading skills, 2.2 teaching writing skills. And this is what I will go through, because right after I finish reading skill, I'm about to finish reading skill, you know very well, and we go to writing skill. Then preparing instrument for testing reading and writing skill. The question is, how do we assess? Today as well, we try assessing a little part of reading skill, cognitive part, by the help of some few questions that I have prepared. And scoring answers in reading and writing test. What is the scoring methodology? Means how do we score reading and writing test? The very interesting topic. Teaching and testing literary text. A literary text as well. How do we teach literary text? And what is the testing methodology? Okay, this thing that comes under section A, unit 2. So since I have been assigned by Ramesh sir to go through reading skill, so I'm going through reading skill very fast, and no matter, because we will touch all the things that you are supposed to learn. Okay, so we'll touch not only very conspicuously, I mean very duly we touch. Okay, we'll talk about all these things. So far, reading skill is concerned, we have already understood the meaning part, the definition part, what is reading skill. We have already, we know lots of definitions of reading skill. Is the process of extracting information from the given text and understanding it, because extracting information and understanding, right? Receiving and understanding, they both go simultaneously, right? They go both together, and it is a very active mental process. In that sense, reading is not only receptive, it is also somehow productive. In what sense it is productive? If you write reading is a productive skill, then full stop, then it might be wrong answer. But you must justify that answer why reading is productive, in the sense that it involves the active mental processes, and it is followed by the quick responses as well. It provokes the responses, and many more you can do it. So we are 38 now. There were 50 students yesterday. Okay, they are coming perhaps. So this is what we discussed about reading skill. And do you remember about soft skills? Soft skills of reading skill. Yes. What are the soft skills of reading skill? For example, this recognizing the script is the first one. Yes, recognizing this script, deducing the meaning, right? Understanding it, cohesion and coherence, right? And understanding this thematic idea of the text, theme of the text. These are the soft skills of reading a skill. And beside reading skill, beside that, then we talked about the strategies, activities, and methodologies. How do we teach reading a skill so effectively? What is the way of planning? For example, we talked about how do we teach. We just went through the three teaching principle: engage, study, and activate. And what thing come under engage? You remember questioning, right? Giving tasks comes under the engage. And what things come under the study? Making worksheet, right? And what things come under the activate? So concluding, this thing come under the active. Giving feedback come under the activate level. So we talked about that. I'm just taking a short review of reading skill, don't mind. And then after, what are the types of reading skill? Or what are the two approaches, signpost approach and thematic approach? What is the difference between signpost and thematic approach? Signpost approach is by the name, it suggests that it gives a signpost instructions or signpost ideas before reading any text, because it gives a directions for the reader what he or she is going to read. And signpost questions deal, it is a part of pre-reading activity. Pre-reading activity, we understand that. So signpost approach, uh, just like the signpost directs the traveler to go into the right direction, in the same way signpost questions directs the reader to read in a right way. Yes, this is what signpost question deals. And thematic approach, theme means no matter what the structure of the question is, so expression might vary. The way I speak, the way another teacher speaks might be different, but the idea, the main theme, what we call gist idea, is the same. That is called thematic approach. And yes, I crossed the road that I crossed. Yes, so I gave you some examples of different forms but same function. This is what we discussed. And then right after that, what we started, we talked about pre-reading, while reading, and post-reading. Do you remember pre-reading? Talking about the picture, talking about the title, general background of the author, right? Signpost questions. These are the pre-reading questions, pre-reading items. While reading, remember that answering the questions, matching true, false, all these things come under the while reading. While skimming, scanning, that come under the while reading activities. And post-reading activities, we know that summarizing, yes, uh, and reading the similar type of text over the text, assimilation, and many more ideas that come under the this post-reading activity. Then after we talked about the types of reading, silent, loud, and rapid reading. By the name it is clear. Silent reading is the advanced level of reading. Reading the script without making noise, without making sound. That is called silent reading. And loud reading, very well. And rapid reading is fast reading. So after that, intensive and extensive. This is a very, very important thing. Intensive and extensive. Intensive means we are reading this. We are preparing IOG, commission examination. This is very intensive examination. Intensive reading, because we have to read very, very deeply. Yes, keeping all the small matters in point, or making a small notes of each and everything. This is called intensive reading. Extensive reading for pleasure, or reading the main ideas one after another is called extensive reading. This is called extensive reading. Reading the surface idea. Surface reading is extensive. Deep reading is intensive. We know very well. And scanning and skimming. Scanning means just like filtering, means reading the item that we are searching for. This is called scanning. Whereas skimming is concerned, skimming is reading the items from top to bottom. Yes, and getting the main idea. Without sourcing the particular item, this is called skimming. This is also surface type of reading. Yes, and these are the different types of reading we discussed yesterday. So this is what I would like to present before it. Yes. So any confusion, you just ask me about reading skill. So if do you have any confusion? If you have confusion about reading a skill, just you may ask me any questions. We'll talk about the questions. What type of questions are we asked frequently from the reading skill? And one questions and with the answers I have brought today. Yesterday I wrote it on the copy and I took the photo and I have made the slide of that photo particularly, and perhaps that will be visible, and that so that you will be able to write the complete answers, the model, because you are getting up early in the morning, and if you are you just take 1 hour here in the Zoom meeting. But for me, just taking 1 hour is not enough. I need to prepare at least material for 1 more hour or 2 more hours. Last night I did it, and have come. So it's not easy. So take the class very sincerely and read it. This is my wish. So are you all ready for the small test, intensive test? Are we ready? Please,
Yes, sir.
your yes, sir, is needed. No, sir. Yes. Also, Khadri, sir, are you ready? Sir, from Bardia. I do not study about
Yes,
this.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wedding. Okay, okay, okay. That might be the person problem, but so far you know a little about reading because I have just I have just done a short review of reading as well by orally. Yes or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. So now I'm trying to give you the link. I'm trying to give you the link, and please get ready for that. Control C. I'm going to the chat box. Okay. Just look at please have a click on this link. Then does the link open or not? Every one of you, whether you are participating or not, there is a record.
Yeah, it's opening, sir.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you. Just, so I will be also here. This is a simple test because it's very hard to take online testing, you know, and written test. We have a different options. This is you know how we talk about testing, you know, reading and testing writing as well. What items are to be made, and how can we make the testing possible through online? This is Zoom platform. This is also our concern. I'm trying my best to make the class very effective.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, you are excused, madam.
What do we, sir?
You just have a click on that link button, and there are 10 questions with multiple choice items, and please do them and submit.
Okay, sir.
Sir, please show again.
Okay, I will give you the link again. This is the link again. I'm also going there. Subhadru sir, are you feeling easy?
Yes, yes, sir.
Good, that's good. Because these items are already taught. That's enough in my sessions. Last 2 days, and today is the last day of the reading item. From tomorrow we start writing. So you please give me the feedback as well. How should I go? If you requesting me to go from the board, I'm thinking of that very soon. I don't know when it's going to go. All right.
Excuse me, sir. I could not open the link when you send, which is sent.
Okay. So you need
Is the same problem, sir?
device is not connected with the email. Please
If
open.
Yeah, my mobile is
you
hanging, so that's why it's
don't
it's
open
not
Okay. But I have got 2 responses so far already.
Sir, can you again send the link?
Trying to send again. Let's look at that. Look at on the the screen. 4 responses I have got so far. This is very nice. Please keep responding me. We are 50 altogether, and if there were more than 20 responses, then I will start with discussing with that.
Oh God, my mobile is too much hanging. What to do? What not to do? I'm confused.
Laptop, if you have.
don't mess that link.
Sir, it's not work properly, sir. What to do?
It's okay. Then see it and to screenshot whenever I say the question item, then it will be okay. Don't worry. Let your friends do the response.
Okay, sir.
Activate ourselves. It's a very important thing. And we are presenting items and a lot of things, a lot of new things, a lot of new ideas, a lot of things you are going to learn over here in this platform. As I have been- in written examination, uh, I must say from very proudly, I took the examination, even TPD training of my one examinations. I stood first in all three training. 46 92%. So that's my achievement that I got it, and it's all because of very quick writing and very fast writing and very good presentation. And this is what I'm sharing my idea. You are lucky enough to get all the ideas that you will get from this class. In responses, please. I want very quick responses. 10. It proves whether you are just passively listening and or you are working. Your responses will prove.
Only listening. Don't mess.
Okay, no problem.
No,
Come to madam, there is a problem. Rest 11 responses. Please work hard, no problem. How many wrong, how many correct, no problem. But try giving the at least with the questions, then you understand too well. If there are 20, then I start. Please.
My mobile is too much and oh my god. When I'm into the UC browser, then automatically pausing itself. And it's not open also, and when I'm trying to put in my Gmail and it's not working.
Mobile device can be hanged, but our mind, this has the memory of gigabyte or terabyte. So if it is not hanging, then it is very fine.
Okay,
Your
sir.
mind don't hanging.
It's our mind hanging, not only your and mine, our. That's it. What is responses so far? I'm just waiting 2 minutes more. Please, please, please do fast.
Only 3 questions are correct.
Okay.
So that is what, whether we have understood reading a skill. This is what. No, I will prepare this type of question for after every topic that I have taught. Yes or not, dear students?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for that. At least we are we will prepare for the best one.
Yeah, it's this one method.
Very good idea.
Good method, sir. It will activate us.
Oh yeah, why not? Obviously, 17 responses so far. I need 20 only, because at least there must be 40% pass mark. Yes or not, sir?
Yes, sir.
Pass mark responses. Then I will move to the, because still I have one questions, complete questions answers. Model you will get. This is very big, because big attempt, because getting the full complete answers, going to the stationery and getting the book, you won't get the
Yeah, it will
model.
not be enough, sir.
It is not available wherever you go. Even in Kathmandu, even teacher writes, but they do not present everything.
Yes,
They,
sir.
they write in the guidebook or course book, what we call, but they don't present all the answers beautifully. So you will get my hands out. So that is very, very fine thing, and that you are going to get right after this.
Yeah, we expect more and more, sir.
Okay, 17 responses.
Yes.
I'm just taking a snapshot of this. How many of you are responding, and how many of you are getting good marks? Look at that. Student is there. Now, this is Miran Power.
0% try. Geeta Panjani.
I forget my Gmail. Not
No
working.
problem. Now,
Yes.
more mistakes than we are learning. Mistake is the source of learning. You or not, sir and madam? Mistake is the source of learning. One lesson, one literary item, two or is human. Master level, at what I teach there at Adhikavi Vanavakta, and two or is human. But in that text, it gives that if you are not making mistake, you are not learning anything. Make mistakes first. Make mistake and don't repeat that. That is the important thing. No problem, no problem. Sir, I don't know how to do this. Okay, you will learn today. Now you are learning. And next when I bring this kind of question, then at that time you will get very good mark. Don't worry. Nothing happens. Time nothing happens. Now I think there are 20, yes, 20. So I would like to go through one answer. Okay. One individual answer. Now I'm getting Shiva Prasad Bhattrai, sir. You have got 10 out of 10. Shiva sir, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. You have got 4. You are male. Note making is an activity in note making. Just you write note. You make a note one after another. This is what will happen in scheming. From top to bottom, note making. Remember that. The correct answer is scheming. Okay, Swarendra? Note making is an activity in scheming.
Yes, sir.
Then jigsaw reading means very intensive reading. Jigsaw by leaving one. Jigsaw is a kind of reading item, sir and madam. Where for example, you read the poetry and one part of one stanza is missing, 2 stanza is missing, or let's say what we call one line of that particular stanza is missing, or one word of a particular stanza is missing, then you have to fill up. Unless you know everything, then you cannot fill up. This is intensive reading, jigsaw. By scrambling the items, by leaving the gaps, item, that is called intensive, very intensive. Jigsaw reading is always intensive, sir and madam. Very good item, answer. And make scene setting. Setting states through synonyms, demonstration, real objects, and title guessing. During title guessing, we talk about we set the scene. For example, a thirsty crow. And what is the picture set in your mind? Crow, thirsty crow might not have got water to drink for 2-3 days, yes or not? So in that sense, is thirsty. So title guessing means scene setting. We make it in the during the title, yes or not? Yes.
Yes.
Now we can develop fluency reading skill through peer reading. Peer reading means reading in peer. You understand? Reading in peer is a peer reading activity. Reading in peer. Magazine is commonly magazine. We already talked. It's extensive reading, not intensive. Extensive reading. Weekly magazine. Scheming for general idea is. I talked about that scheming and scanning while reading it, not the full reading. So while reading, sorry, madam. Scanning and scheming is the while reading stage. No problem. More mistakes, more learning. Remember that. Zero correct also no problem. Because all mistakes, then all learning. Oh, this is the right answer. In the exam, you won't make. For example, you can give the example. Jigsaw reading is an example of intensive reading. This is what you will write in the examination. Once you read it. Scheming is the while reading activity. Scheming and scanning. This is what you will write once you go through these question items. That's a good idea. And brainstorming. Yeah, brainstorming is the content is the pre-reading. Very good. Pre-reading activity. Pre-reading. Role play. Role play is done with what? Post-reading, sir and madam. Role play simulation. This is what we do it in the post-reading activity. Yeah. So role play is a post-reading activity. Post-reading stage. Now, what is not the material for reading? Poems is material for reading. Anecdotes is also material of reading. Revising, very simple. Revising is not the material for reading. Giving a task is under giving a task. Is under
Sorry, sir, could you please repeat once again answer sheet? I will take short skin. Before my mind is distracted to submit the form, so
Yeah.
that's why.
okay. Allah.
Answer sheet. Just
Okay.
only I need answer sheet.
I will just show you the please note making. Look at the preview. You can do note making is an activity in note making in what? Sorry, madam.
Excuse me,
Can-
sir. What is the answer of question number 10?
Question number 10 is engage.
Note making is
I would like to tell you engage and study is there, but that is wrong. There is a problem in making questions. Last one. Must be engage only. If you have done engage, it's okay because there is engage and activity correct is given. There is some in making that form. Giving a task is engage activity, sir and madam. If you have done engage, then you are right.
Sir, could you repeat once again?
Yeah, giving a task
Answer
is on please do it. Engage activity, engage principle. And what is not material for reading? This is revising. Role play is post reading activity. Brainstorming the content is pre-reading itself. Skimming for general idea is this is a while reading. Skimming and scanning is the while reading stage. Reading the weekly magazine, extensive. Last one, extensive. We can develop PMC reading skill through peer reading, PAIR, peer reading. We can make scene setting stage through title guessing. Diksha reading intensive, the first one, intensive. Note making is scheming, last one, SKIMMIN. This is what we have done it successfully. So, yes, let me once again share the screen. Now,
It's too much disturbing sound coming here.
then,
I don't know.
okay, let me.
उसको बहुत डिस्टर्ब आइरहेछ है त्यो मिलाउनु पर्खर आइरहेछ है
Please, mute your device.
त्यो चार्ज गर्दै नचलाउनु होइन
Sir, give another question also.
Okay, okay, about. From home it is coming. Coming, sir, your icon is marked. Then if your mobile it is, then please. All right. Now, very important thing of today now, what we already discussed. 2.1 item. Tomorrow we will go to the teaching writing skill. And if you also take 2 days, then I will take a test of this writing skill. Okay, now so very hard to see all, but I will let you please screenshot. Please Redmi. Redmi's name is not given. Subhadru sir, Redmi is not sound. Please do the please do mute with your device. Yes. Okay, now it is working. So who has done annotation? Please don't do that. All right. Annotation.
Don't so clear, sir. Please do zoom.
Yes, I'll let you. That is the thing. The annotation is the problem. Please don't do annotation, please. So let me do once again. Don't
Is
do
there
annotation. Yeah, don't do annotation now. Don't do annotation
there-
now.
this question is related to just secondary level or lower secondary level?
Both, madam, both. The idea is same.
Okay.
What are the problems encountered? Please understand that. Sorry. Screen sharing is paused. Fine. Okay, wait. I'm not able to screen share. Are you able to see all? Now you just see. Please don't do the annotation. What are the problems encountered in teaching reading skill? How can you fix them? Illustrate with examples. Take a time and please understand
I
it.
can't see properly.
Though very small, I did it in the at night last night, and I took the photo and I've kept it here over here. So it is very original. Problem reading skill को problem के हो अनि यो कसरी fix गर्न सकिन्छ? Illustrate with examples. This is the question. It's a 10 marks question, sir and madam. And how I started? Is there anyone who can read this? If you read it very closely, then you can read, I think.
Sir,
Yes, you try.
I could not understand. I could not see clearly.
So
Okay, so let me try.
yes, try.
What are the problems encountered in teaching reading skill? How can you fix them? Illustrate with examples. No doubt, reading is an important skill that aims to develop not only receptive skill but also comprehensive skill, in which learner receives the information from the given text and understands the idea of the text simultaneously. Since reading requires the ability on several sub-skills such as recognizing the script, deducing the meaning, uh, understanding communicative value, etc. It does have several problems that are
Presented.
okay, that are presented as follows, and there are some of the mm, problems. At
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ashok, sir. Very good idea. These problems of reading I have presented in a very in a chart by making a small circle. Problems of reading at the syntax level 1, at the semantic level next, use of idioms or debated language next. Please do the screenshot and later on you zoom it and read it and try it. If not possible, I will write as well. Next time when I write, then I will write with a bit bigger handwriting. Because of the cold, and I'm writing on this white space. So so small, and at the comprehensive level, problem at the word reading level, accuracy level. So how did I start? You just listen. No doubt reading is an important skill. I started with no doubt. No doubt reading is an important skill, and that aims to develop not only the receptive skill but also comprehensive skill in which learner receives the information. Not only to develop the receptive skill but also comprehensive skill. Two things: receptive and comprehensive, in which learner receives the information from the given text, no doubt, and understand the idea of the text simultaneously. Only receiving is not enough in reading. Understanding is very important. Since reading requires the ability on several sub-skills such as recognizing the script, deducing the meaning, understanding communicative value, etc. It does have several problems that are presented as follows. This is a presentation. This is one page I have written. Next page, look at that. Since reading skill of the target language in the secondary level, it is usually developed through teaching learning activities. Since reading skill of the target language is the secondary skill. Please, Karan madam, please try to read very carefully. Since reading is skill of the target language in the secondary is the secondary skill, it is usually developed through teaching learning activity. Since it is secondary skill, so teaching learning activity is needed, which is a systematic process. Teaching learning is a systematic process. Remember that. What is language teaching might come, sir and madam. This is the first unit. What is language teaching and language learning? At that time, language teaching is a systematic process because it incorporates a lot of things, a lot of micro things. So it is a systematic process. Methodology, materials, and delivery skill are important factors that determine the success of teaching reading. Look at this sentence. Methodology, materials, and delivery skill are important factors that determine the success of teaching reading skill. Yes or not? Methodology, materials, and delivery skill. However, there are overt reasons. There are some seen reasons behind the problem. Though the reason is not asked, but you write reason extra. It's a bonus for examiner. Because what are the problems encountered? Then you are not needed. You are not required to tell the reason, but you write the reason also. They are use of traditional and outdated method, one reason. Lack of learner-centered technique, next reason. Focusing on the structure rather than meaning, next reason. Lack of proper attention on pre-reading, while reading, and post-reading strategy. Lack of proper attention. If we give up attention on pre-reading, for example, if you are teaching one lesson, and if you focus on what I must do in pre-reading activity, then what I must do in while reading, what I must do in post reading. If you do them all sincerely, then your reading will be your teaching reading will be very effective. So we are giving proper attention or not sufficient attention on this 3 stages. Very important thing. The problems are encountered. It does not. It does not matter of. It does not matter if language is dedicated. Language teacher is dedicated to solve the problems. If language teacher, it does not matter. Problems are encountered, no problem. It does not matter. But if language teacher himself is lazy, then nothing will happen. If you like language teacher are there, then something will happen, because it is not easy to get up in the 4 o'clock in the morning and taking class. Not easy. But because of the taste and because of determination is very important. Following measures can be taken to overcome the problems in reading comprehension. Following measures. Now this is the solution part. Look at the solution part. Use of communicative methodology. I have described them because there is the illustration as well. And the methodology requires sufficient interaction and discussion. Communicative means interaction. It incorporates all skills. Communicative methodology always incorporates all all skills together. This is a very new methodology developed after 1990s. Together, simply reading is followed by writing. It helps to develop understanding over the text. Yes, and students are able to answer them. As a result, students are able to answer them. Please do screenshot and later on you zoom. A little you understand, then you can write on your soft copy later on. The use of learner-centered technique. This is the one solution part. Use of learner-centered technique. What are the problems of reading skill and what are the solutions? Use of learner-centered technique. Lots of motivational materials can be used to assist reading skill. Peer work, group work technique will certainly develop. Look at that. Develop the idea over given text. Beside picture discussion, role play and summarization in group aids the ability of teachers, ability further. Read and reread technique. Read and reread. Learners are given the opportunity to read the text and note down important points. Learners are given the opportunity to read the text and note down important points. Very important. They read and reread. They can read loudly for developing fluency and pronunciation skill too. Loudly they can read for developing fluency and presentation skills. Pronunciation skill, not presentation. Pronunciation skill. Now, remember, teacher stands as facilitator and feedback provider. This is one solution. Remember that if you follow the textbook of anyone's writer, they limit their ideas, but don't limit your ideas, because you have more than even the text writer. You can make your point by yourself. So this thing, subjective examination is very it should be very original, creative one, where candidates are allowed to give their one answer in their one as far as practicable. Am I right, sir and madam?
Yes, sir.
I'm just because you are not able to see that clearly, so I'm reading this this snapshot. I have taken through mobile and I have put it on the laptop, and I have zoomed it a little, so there might be the handwriting might be a little blur, not clear, so don't mind it. But idea is very important.
It's okay, sir, no problem, sir.
Idea is very important. Handwriting it doesn't matter, because you will do your handwriting in your own examination. Idea is very important, and teacher stand as a facilitated feedback provider. This is a D number. Let me go to the next. Now in not cell, this is the conclusion part. I have already told you last time. How should we give the conclusion? What is the presentation? I have in a 10 marks question, look at that. There are two pictures. This is my idea. This is very important, dear teachers, dear students and teachers. Hello, teachers. In not cell, look at that last one. In not cell, Guznunzola, problems come along with solution. What is the sentence? Problem come along with solution. Do you agree or not, Ashok sir? Problem always come with solution, yes or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Problems come along with solution. Reading skill is developed by overcoming the problems by the use of solving measures. They are presented diagrammatically as follows in the problems and solution. One hand problem, next hand solution. This is very symbolical presentation, very nice one. Word difficulty, fluency, meaning, answer skill, divided language is the problem. Solution, communicative method, demonstration method. Demonstration technique, peer work and group work, reading habit. These are the solutions. So on the one side problems, on the in the next hand, two hands we have. One hand problem, next hand solution. One hand problem, next hand solution. This is one hand problem, next hand, union education is there. So that is the solution for your dream to be a teacher.
So last one is DEIVIN, spelling of DI, divided.
DEVIATED, deviated.
Divided, okay. Divided language means?
Divided language means, what we call a little bit, not twisted language. Twisted means not clear.
Oh, I see. I understood.
Literary meaning,
Yeah, I understood.
This is the presentation. Do you like this picture?
Yeah, it's so
Yes,
fun.
sir. Yes, sir. It's very unique.
That's the attention of the examiner.
Attractive.
This is very attractive. You write the problem solution. What? There is no difficulty in making such kind of picture. No problem. One head, one smiling man, and problems and a solution. Very interesting. And this is the way how we present it in the examination. Means, you have seen for 10 marks how many pages I have written. Look at that. This is the 4 page I think altogether. Yes or not, sir and madam?
Yes, sir. It will be enough.
It's enough. Reading is an important skill. I have written a little background as well. So for your understanding. And yes, you can do the screenshot. I have already requested you to do the screenshot of that, and later on you zoom it and somehow you try and you write on your note copy again. Don't depend on that one, and just copy down on your note copy so that later on you will understand it later and clearly. Because instead of board, I'm using this this handwriting, my one handwriting, this original one. That's what I did it last day. Okay. This is the answer. In not cell, last conclusion part is needed. And last one. Let's think other questions and discuss. We have lots of questions we can discuss regarding reading skill. How do you teach? What are the strategies? Whenever the question of what are the strategies and techniques comes, remember about pre-reading, while reading, and post-reading. These 3 strategies we have, and we have to deal with them. Strategies and activities. Strategy and activities are same. Stages is also same. But how do you teach? You have to write the teaching learning activity in an ESA model, engage, study, and activate model. So this is the how do you teach only comes, then engage, study, and activate. Under engage also there are 3 items I already gave you. So please write it, and next whenever this how do you teach writing skill will go with that kind of question, so that you will get one idea, next idea in that way. So problem and solution, what is the idea? I have given it. So next time question of how, next time question of what, next time question of why, like that we do. So this is how I will try to develop you all your skill of presentation. Very important thing is presentation. Okay, so it's already 5:30. And it's time to close up the session. So thank you very much for your active participation today. You attended the simple test also. No matter you made a mistake, mistake is the source of learning. Yes. So next time when you from writing skill also I will develop the question like that. Okay. So please sub skill of reading. What is the sub skill of reading? Sir and madam, I have already told you, requested you. Recognizing the script, one. And I think you
Deducing.
understanding the text, understanding cohesion, coherence. Yes, getting the meaning, deducing the meaning, right? Getting the theme. These are the sub skills of reading skill. Okay, thank you very much. Very good to see you all. And I don't know how my presentation is happening, but I'm trying my best to make the class effective as long as I'm given the opportunity by Ramesh sir, because he has assigned me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. We are hoping that you will continue.
Thank you very much. All right. Thank
Yeah,
you.
I had talked to Ramesh sir's wife, Mrs. Gaura madam too.
Okay. Thank you very much.
That you will you should get the opportunity to teach
If I'm
us.
on the platform, then only I can show, yes or not. Even dancer doesn't get the platform, then he or she cannot dance in the same way. I'm just a teacher. I'm ELT, this ETC trainer. I get the government. This is a institute. So I have to take the permission from Ramesh sir and that administration staff. So,
Let's hope for good. I had already talked to Gaura madam too.
convinced and he's believing me, and I'm also thankful to Union Education team for providing me this chance. Let me continue if I'm given chance. I work very hard on doing.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Have a good day.
Yes, yes,
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Just ask me a question, Sukhbadur sir.
maybe it is better to use whiteboard, sir.
Okay. I'm just planning for whiteboard, and I'm staying in a room. I'm also away from my home. I'm living, near to school.
Today, I could not understand that in
That answer. No, you did screenshot or not, sir and madam? I think you did screenshot
Yes,
and
sir.
do the
From-
zoom on your mobile. Do the zoom.
writing, I understand. That's why maybe
Yeah.
it is better to use whiteboard.
Yeah, I'm trying. I will make the writing a bit larger and bigger. Don't worry. Don't worry. And I try to make the class very effective. Don't worry. Yes.
Better you use board for the question answer, sir. Okay, thank you all. Bye bye. Have a good day.